my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about white teeth. Now we all know that some of us have stained teeth from smoking, coffee drinking, you name it. But there are simple homemade remedies that you can use to help to get rid of the stain from your teeth and have you having a beautiful smile in no time. Or for those of you looking to brighten them up, this remedy is for you. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Here are the things you need to make this product. You're going to need your toothbrush, of course. You're going to need a grater or a blender. You're also going to need a strainer and a small bowl. So now let's begin. Now take a look at the main ingredient, and this is ginger. Ginger is great for removing plaque, build up and stain from the teeth. I'm using fresh ginger, which is best for this recipe. So I'm going to use about an ounce or two of the fresh ginger, and I'm going to peel the ginger since we're going to be blending. Now you can also choose to just wash your ginger and blend as is without removing the peel. Now once the ginger is peeled, I'm going to cut it in small pieces for easier blending. Now this is done. I'm going to place my ginger in the blender, and you're not going to add any water to this. You're just going to blend as is. Make sure to blend thoroughly, get rid of all pieces of ginger. Once this is done, we are going to pour, make sure to scrape it out, and then we are going to strain, removing the ginger juice. This is our fresh ginger juice, and next we are going to move on to the second ingredient, which is also an important ingredient in this recipe because of its peroxide. We're using about a half a teaspoon of toothpaste. You can choose to use any toothpaste you have, okay? And next I'm moving on to the third ingredient, which is baking soda. And I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of the baking soda. Remember, baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to blend, and I'm going to blend well. You're going to make sure to thoroughly blend the toothpaste in the baking soda and the ginger juice. Going to pour on your toothbrush like I'm showing here, and you're going to use this to brush your teeth, focusing on the badly stained area. Keep brushing, and you want to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes or so. Okay, so up and down, and also focus on the back where you tend to have the plaque build up. Now once this is done, you are going to rinse your mouth with some cold water, and you're continuing your teeth brushing regime, whether you use Listerine, yes or nay. Now you want to use this at least twice per day, and you want to use this every day for at least 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks is up, you should notice a significant difference to your teeth. You should notice at least a shade whiter. The plaque should be less, and you're on your way to beautiful, whiter looking teeth. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave a comment. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. Hit the word subscribe below and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.